Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up a new document, a new post on a WordPress site. We have a couple sites. I'm just going to start you out with one for now so you get used to this. There's a couple different sites and a couple different types of articles. The one we're going to look at today is probably the most complex. It's what we call a multi-product review, or sometimes we call it a review roundup. And it's usually a few pages in length. You don't have to type it again. Don't worry about that. But you'll be copying and pasting this into WordPress and then adding some links and some pictures to it once it's there. Okay. So this is what you'll get. I'll just mail you the link each time through Upwork to be able to do the work. Right. The first place you have to go after you have a new project to work on is the login screen for WordPress. And you'll get that link with the invitation to be an editor on the site. And it's just basically hvactraining101.com and wp-login.php. You put in your login credentials and just log in, and this will take you to the back end of the WordPress site. Your task is going to be to add a new post. So on the left menu in this dashboard area, just find post, which is always near the top, and add new. This will take you to a little editor. It's got a lot of similar tools to what you'll see in a word processor, just more simplified. The most important thing is what we want to do. We're going to add a title, and we're going to take the title. You may be able to just copy it from here. HVAC vacuum pumps. Just take that title right off the Google Doc. And then you're going to go down here on the right side to the category section. And since this is a review article, you're going to check reviews. That's pretty simple. And then just so we have a copy of this, you want to save draft up here. All right. From there, we're not going to use this editor, but we're going to go and click this button called Thrive Architect, which takes us to some special tools to be able to add our articles and easily manipulate them for images and links. Just takes a second to open. All right, so it's starting to fill. And you have your outline of what the page is going to look like. What we're going to start with is adding this paragraph text element here. All you have to do is click on it and drag it right here. It'll get inserted right where the blue line is. All right. And then you get your article. You just want to select all, Control A, Control C for copy, and go back to your WordPress page. And you're just going to want to paste it in here. This is already selected. You're going to erase. Hold on a second. Get that and erase that, and then just paste. And that just copied your whole article over. All right. One little bug in this is that it's putting everything in bold print. We don't want it all in bold print. You want to select all with Control A, and then if we just go here to clear formatting. Okay, and that'll make it all regular print. Just do a quick check. I try to be careful with this when editing, but it looks like there were a couple spots where I left extra spaces after paragraphs. You can see right here there's too much space. So we want to do that. Just a regular delete. And then there was another one all the way down the end, I think I saw. Yeah, after conclusion. Okay, so there's space programmed between them, but it's not an actual blank line. Right. And then let's just save your work for now, and we'll go on to add the images, the links, and the buy buttons. All right. In this type of article, we review 5 products, as Obviously, there happen to be vacuum pumps in this case. And we're going to want to add an image and a link for each one. Okay. To get the image, you just go back to your Google Doc. Let's go in order here. And the products are almost always on Amazon. Okay. If you click on the link there for the product and then click the Amazon link that opens, and you just want to click on this, click on that image, and it should open a space like this. Just select part of the name, just because you're going to want to name the image file when you save it. And Control C that, so you have a copy. And then just here, right click, save image as, Control V to save your name. And then it's easiest usually to make a new folder and save this. It's called vacuum pumps. And then we just save it inside that folder. Okay. And then let's go back here. Let's also right click here, copy the link address, and then go back here as well. Okay. So you want to insert the image here by just drag. All you have to do is click, left click, and drag the image button. And then we want to find the image we just did. These are the images we already uploaded from before, but we want to find and upload the image that we just downloaded. So we just follow these steps. You can go there and open. We'll see it upload. There we go. And then we just click this button to insert it into the post. From here, we just want to resize it. We don't want it to be that big. We want it to be the image size here. We want to change that all the time to 250. Okay, so that's set. And then we want to add a content template, which is another element here. Just drag it right under the image. And then it's going to have a little pop-up menu. And click the buy. In this case, it's the buy from Amazon button that we want. Great. So the next thing, we want to add the link. And we already copied the link from the Google Doc. We want to go here, select the text, the header. We're going to put one link here. So we can just Control V and get the link there. The next line is just the name. It's the text that we selected. So we leave that alone. But we click these two boxes, Open in New Tab and No File, and click Insert. When we click off it, we can see it's orange, which on this page means that's a link. Then we also add a link on the Buy from Amazon Here button. So we click that, left click it, and this panel will open here, Migrate Element. Click on Migrate Element, and we go down right here. It has a button link. Now this fills with something else. We want to delete that, and then paste in the link again. And then make sure both of these boxes are checked. So Open in New Tab and No Follow should be checked here. And that's it. Let's save it right there. And you want to repeat that with each of these other products. Just go back and forth, go to the Yellow Jacket, here we go. Select the name, right click, the image, Control V, paste the name in there, save, and then proceed with adding the link and the images in that section. Add the link, the image, and the button, just as we did for the first one. Okay, there's going to be a couple other steps that we take on these pages, but this will be enough to get you started to learn the system for this. Okay, when you're done, you can just click on the three dots and choose exit. And then you want to go through and double check. You have your link, your image, and your buy from Amazon button. And of course, you're going to add the rest of these. Make sure they're working correctly too. Click on this link. Make sure it opens in a new window and it opens the right product. And the same with the button. Click on the button, make sure it opens a new window and the right product. Okay, let me show you quickly a totally finished page that has a little bit more. We already did this one on air conditioner covers. Eventually, you're going to learn how to make this image, which is called the featured image, which is very simple to do. And you're going to learn how to add these charts. Okay, those are the next steps. But you can. This is what you learned today. Add the link, the image, the button. The link, the image, the button. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be glad to explain more fully. Okay, thank you very much.